This G-Tilt head stand mixer offers a timeless, easy-to-use kitchen essential, perfect for everyday baking needs. With 7 optimized speeds and a 5.3 quart capacity, G-Profile Smart Mixer is engineered for tackling hundreds of tasks from cookies and ciabatta to fettuccine al dente. The powerful 350-watt motor and robust die-cast metal construction mean G-Stand Mixer can handle even your largest holiday batches. Enjoy clear visibility and easy access to the mixing bowl thanks to a tilt-back head, which automatically secures upon closure for added peace of mind. No need to worry about flour messes and batter splatter thanks to a soft start motor that eases the mixer into powerful performance, no matter which speed you choose. G-Smart Mixer into a kitchen multi-tool by using your current mixer attachments, including third-party accessories, so you have the versatility you need to make what's good tonight. Components include a 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl with handle, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shield. Check the link in the description below to buy G-Profile Smart Mixer. The best things about G-Smart Mixer product are: Number 1. 350-watt motor and die-cast construction. Handle even your largest batches thanks to a powerful motor and robust die-cast metal design. Number 2. Tilt head design with auto lock. Enjoy clear visibility and easy access to the mixing bowl thanks to a tilt-back head, which automatically secures upon closure for added peace of mind. Number 3. 7 speed settings and accessory port. Turn your smart mixer into a kitchen multi-tool with 7 optimized speeds for essential mixing, and an accessory port that is compatible with KitchenAid and other third-party attachment ecosystems. Number 4. 59-point mixing cycle. The mixing cycle is engineered to provide superior bowl coverage and combine ingredients thoroughly. Number 5. Soft start. No need to worry about flour messes and batter splatter thanks to a soft start motor that eases the G-Profile Smart Mixer into powerful performance, no matter which speed you choose. Number 6. 5-quart bowl. Tackle even your greatest holiday tasks with a sturdy 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl that holds up to 9 batches of cookie dough at once. Number 7. Included components. Components include a 5.3 quart stainless steel bowl with handle, coated flat beater, coated dough hook, wire whisk, and pouring shield.